Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix pre-download error code 2. So first of all, open up launcher, then press on these lines here, and then select game settings and open file directory. Or simply you can go to disk C program files, Epic Games if you're on Epic Games, and then Arknights and games and Endfield, right? And after you do so, after you are in that particular directory, completely close Arknight launcher. So just go to Task Manager and close it, and do not minimize to tray, but exit the launcher, right? Next up, what you need to do here is to find a launcher underscore TMP, then press on this folder here, then press on decompress, and then it will be a lot of beyond release files here. What you need to do here, you need to find beyond release file that ends with 001. And what you need to do here is to extract this file to Endfield game. So simply you can extract to desktop and then drag it to Endfield game here, and then launch the game or the basically launcher, and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more.